All right, everybody, welcome to this video. It's been a long time. I've been gone for a while, and I am getting back in the game now. And I have gone back to my good and faithful Love the Home Business Academy. It's been a stand-up company for almost 10 years now. I think they'll be 10 years old in August or October of this upcoming year, but of this year. But I really want to talk to you today about if you're like me and you are working a job or you're just trying to juggle a lot of things and build a home-based business. We have an absolute game changer. What you are looking at on my screen right now is our newest tool, set of tools, and they're all powered by AI. It's called Traffic Maestro, and I'm telling you, this is a total game changer. You can see right here, off over here, we have, the content, traffic and content strategy, writing assistant for content creation. You can generate images. You can actually shoot directly inside of the app. I was actually going to shoot this video inside of the app, and then I said, no, I'm going to go ahead and do it myself. So I'm just really impressed with this. Paul and Mike are always bringing stuff, new stuff for us. I mean, even you can look at the layout. The layout has changed. It's actually more like an app now. Maestro is included in the premium package inside of there, so that is $125 a month. But when you really look at things, and if you are utilizing AI, you're the different subscriptions can actually add up to $100 a month. So go look at your bank statement and see what are you paying for those of you that are actually using AI. And if you're not using AI, now is the time to start using it. You don't have to log out and have a bunch of tabs up here. I will always use ChatGPT and Claude, don't get me wrong, but I can come right in here and click. I'm just going to click on this, and I can upload an image. I can do a lot of things. I'm not going to do a demonstration in this particular video because I'm saving. They give us 5 free daily credits, and I'm going to save those because also inside of here, this will generate your script for your videos. I actually do have a script that I was working on. Your thumbnail, the video description, the keywords, the tags. It also will search all of YouTube and help you come up with ideas, and give you a particular angle on how you can rank better. And it'll just write your whole script for you. So it's just super amazing. I'll go back and show you a little bit of the script that it gave me. I've used some of it, but I kind of like to do my videos myself. But if you're not good with videos, or if you haven't started using videos yet, then video marketing is definitely the way of the future. And you don't have to do a lot of work. You don't even have to think. You can have this thing come in here and give you a full script and outline whatever you want it to do. And then I will show you how all of this works from beginning to end in another video. I want to keep this video kind of short as I'm just getting back in the game myself. But you see, this gave me all of this. And like I say, I've kind of said some of it, but I wanted to go off script. I'm not good with scripts because I kind of know what I want to say, but definitely gave me some angles of what I was thinking about. So inside of here, you've got all of the things that you truly, truly need to get started and get your business up and running. We have a turnkey system. You see it's done. You can see what it's done for my video so far. It's even going to give me a thumbnail. And this also, the other great thing about this is it has smart posts in it. So it's actually going to post this to my YouTube channel. I did all of this in the setup. The setup takes about, it's going to ask you about a bunch of questions. And so the setup takes about, depending on, how much you put into it, it can take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. But it's just really, really awesome. I'm truly impressed with this. It takes a lot to impress me, but like I say, this is included in the premium package. If you were with HBA before and you were kind of like, it's hard building funnels, we now have a turnkey system. We have an emailer inside, and so you don't really have any work to do yourself. Just kind of get in here and plug and play, and now you can write your scripts, your Facebook posts, your YouTube videos, whatever it is that you're looking to do. So with that, I am going to close this video, and I'm going to be shooting some more. Like I say, I just wanted to get back in the rhythm of things and get this video out here to you. And if you are looking to join my team and work with me, I am definitely going to be building a serious residual income with this time. I have worked with a lot of other businesses, like I say, but I always come back to HBO because I am a funnel builder and, I do email marketing. But now things are just so easy. I mean, anyone can do this, because I still work a full-time job and I'm slaving away in a hot kitchen. It's 105 degrees here where I'm at in North Carolina. So, with that being said, I have more videos to do and content to create so I can not have to work so hard. You have a beautiful and blessed day. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell so you get notified of the next latest and greatest video. And if you'd like to join my team, click the link below in the description.